Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to send self-destructing emails using Gmail. To get started, follow these steps. Compose a new email in Gmail. Enter the recipient's email address. Type your subject in the designated field. Now, at the bottom of the email composition window, you'll find a toggle for confidential mode. Next, click on the confidential toggle to enable it. This will open up options to set the self-destruct timer and add an extra layer of security with a passkey. Select the self-destruct timer that suits your needs. This is the amount of time after which the email will disappear. If you wish, you can also add a passkey to enhance the email's security. Finally, click Send. That's it. Your self-destructing email is ready to be sent with your chosen settings. Thank you for joining me in this demonstration. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more tips and tricks, please feel free to ask in the comments section. Have a great day.